Hello everyone, I am standing in Dunlap in Sequatchie County, Tennessee. This is the local overlook, and right up here along this ridge is the hand gliding ramp. I can't tell, it's too bright out here to see where it's at, but it's right up here somewhere. And I want to show you this overlook. It's quite interesting. It is the I guess the padlock overlook. Let me show you right here. Let me turn my phone around and look what the overlook looks like. Yep, it starts right here. So if you're ever in passing through Sequatchie County, stop and look at this. It goes on and on and on. All the padlocks, there's so many. Socks, bracelets, keychains, towels, ribbons, flowers. So interesting. Lace, necklaces, cell phone charger. Oh, so funny. Baby toys. Oh, a mask. Keychains. Oh, it's so funny. This is so hilarious. Just look at all the things. Bubbles, ribbon, flowers, more socks, masks, bracelets, toys, aluminum foil. Keychains, more keychains. Oh, that looks like a pair of underwear. Okay, underwear. Locks. Toys. Ducks. Gloves. This just keeps going, folks. A pine cone. Another ducky. Actual keys. Bracelets. Air fresheners. Ooh, a big padlock. A really big padlock. Keychain. Shoestring. Receptacle cover. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. So funny. So cute. It's crazy. Some stuff is just a bunch of junk. Some more ducks. Oh, that looks like someone's hair. Okay. Okay. More and more and more. Ribbons. Oh, I've got a long way to go. I'm going to start walking faster because there's so much. So much, so much, so much. Dallas, Texas. The little cars from Dallas. So I guess if anybody is passing through, come and add your keychain. There's a glove. Just a piece of paper. Throw in a roll bag. Wire tie. Face mask. Big padlock. So much stuff. Another sock. Okay, let's keep going. There's more on this other end. A whole lot more on this other end. Maybe if you've been through here, maybe you will see your padlock that you put on here. That would be cool. So I think it's just from anybody and everybody. So if you've put a lock on this chain in Sequatchie County, Dunlap, Tennessee, then keep watching, because your lock might be here, or your bandana, or your bracelet, or your little bitty car, or just whatever. This has been here since, just put it on, it looks like July the 20th. Someone just put their little duck on there, July 20th. Okay, that's a cool little lock. Look at this old lock. That's a cool lock. It goes on, still on and on and on. Okay, here's more. Oh, somebody really decorated this one up. Okay. Cool stuff. Little bracelet. Necklace. Actually, somebody lost their meatballs, it looks like. Here's a little cluster. Hairband. Padlocks. And we are almost at the end. This one's been here since, you can't tell, March of 2026. 7/11/26. And that's it. Now that's what's going on at the overlook in Sequatchie County, Dunlap, Tennessee. Other than all this hanging on the overlook, there is beautiful views of the valley and of the mountains. And if you look way over there, it looks like right there, that is 111 going up over Kegel Mountain, going north toward Cookeville, Tennessee. So, that's what it is at the overlook. Lots of things. Lots of things. I think this is the funniest right here. Hilarious. Hilarious. Oh, and they also have a this little colorblind viewer. If anyone is colorblind, they can come up here and look through the viewer and see all the beautiful colors. Alrighty, hope you enjoyed that. Stop by if you ever are in Dunlap, Tennessee.